So I'm doing front brakes on my truck, and bleeding brakes is always a pain, and I have a vacuum pump, etc., but it's still difficult when you're using the vacuum pump at the caliper because it draws air from around the bleed screw. So anyway, I picked up this cap from Motive Products, and it comes just with the brass fitting on it. It's meant to use with their they have a pressure jug, a pump jug. So what I did was I found, or I just used one of my inline regulators from a paint sprayer. And how this works anyway is with their system, you just put the cap on. This is a cap for, legacy GMs. So you put the cap on and you snug it down. And now I'm going to pressurize the brake reservoir. And I've only been, on one of the videos I watched, they say to put it up to 15. I've been putting it between 15 and 20 PSI. So I'm just adjusting the regulator. I haven't gone over 20. I don't want to risk popping the plastic cap off, or the cap off the reservoir. So I usually put it right around, I've been putting it right around there. So I got about 20 PSI now in the brake reservoir. So to bleed the brakes is very, very easy now. You come over, and so I don't have enough hands to do this and actually show you it bleeding, but I basically just take a jug, an old brake fluid canister, and you pop the cap off, and I put the hose on there, loosen the brake screw, and the fluid will push out with the air. And I've actually been pretty impressed how well this works. It took no time at all to bleed my brakes on both sides. Once it's pressurized, the fluid just gets pushed through. So anyway, found it very useful and very easy to do, and a lot easier than other ways to bleed your brakes. Anyway, hope that works for you.